Hey each person, welcome again to the Current Rough Market channel. If you're new, please recall subscribing. But now permits get proper and brand new subject matter. That is concerning and none aside from XRP. As far because the broader market is worried. Nowadays is Friday, so first and most important, glad Friday to each one and all you guys, anywhere you are around the arena. And seeing the market another time, green is very exciting to look, of course. And because you realize we've seen the month start out on a little bit of a negative note. However, you're seeing the marketplace choosing up traction. That's beautiful to look. XRP additionally up proper now. You realize presently sitting at 53.7 cents, up 2.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, seeing a little bit of lag in Bitcoin comparative, but you recognize marketplace valuation for XRP is back above $30 billion to be precise. $30.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading extent is currently sitting at about $1.76 billion. Absolutely crazy stuff, but allows get proper into it. A lot to discuss earlier than we do this, as always, just a short disclaimer. Anything on this channel isn't monetary recommendation. Always do your own due diligence and research while you are investing in crypto. So you understand first and primarily the price of XRP is making up. You realize movements after, that primary massacre that we see after you already know the enchantment. Speaking about the attraction, Stuart has spoken. And what Stuart says is a few of my favorite Second Circuit Court of Appeals quotes from the final time the SEC stuck its hand into the appellant buzzsaw. So CC in opposition to Goldville. So that is what the court had to mention. We do no longer trust the SEC. We aren't persuaded via the SEC's arguments. The SEC's counter-arguments are availing. So now this brings a query. Are we going to look comparable? You already know statements popping out from the judge. This is obviously what humans are looking ahead to, and numerous human beings are beginning to see the bigger photo now, and you already know what I imply through the bigger photo is people are starting to see preserve on shore that this SEC lawsuit is going on. You understand, in case you observe it due to the fact that this lawsuit has, considering we started out listening to predominant trends, there were a variety of, you realize, developments that have been sincerely favoring XRP or Ripple in this situation as opposed to the SEC. So you already know a whole lot of people within the community are questioning that. You understand that might happen all over again, but of direction, simplest time goes to tell in terms of this. But I, without a doubt, trust Stuart's announcement. Very, very exciting issue to be mentioning. But speaking approximately thrilling component to be stating, you can see Coinbase to delisting USDT, non-compliant stablecoins in European Union. Coinbase will get rid of stablecoins that don't meet the EU's new MECA law by way of December 30th, 2024. This is large, and this comes in time for you to understand BRICS launching their very own stablecoin. And in addition to Ripple, you realize the IOUSD and the minting system goes on, and this just confirms how important regulation simply is not for just due to the fact, the question from the beginning. From day one, is USDT reserves even there as they say they may be? There's a variety of crimson flags. If you are an OG, I'm positive you have heard approximately this limitless of instances, and this doesn't come as a wonder. And I assume this may enhance RLUSD ability even more. Let me recognize within the remarks down under what you guys suppose. However, lots of huge entities are trying to cross all into strong cash now. You recognize solid coins are being mentioned extra than ever before, but permit me know inside the comments what you, in my view, suppose talking approximately stable coins. Look at this. Our true antique pal Smoke has posted this, but you already know. We're going to come lower back to that. You can see the delisting of non-compliant solid coins like Tether will maintain documented, so you can see. You already know causing the Tether to be both delisted or limited on positive centralized exchanges, and you can see Tether often buys Bitcoin from its reserves and reinvest profits in Bitcoin mining according to the attention. Tether currently holds over $75,000 of Bitcoin. So looking at this, Ripple Payment Network is being utilized by monetary establishments with the pinnacle 15 largest banks within the global running with Ripple. And you understand things like this now. You understand humans are beginning to realize, keep on, you understand this lawsuit, we get it. It's now not going over. It's going to continuously take place. And even ultimate cycle, you realize what a variety of people will neglect, and permit me simply quickly spotlight that for you. Last cycle, while lawsuit changed into quite tons at its all-time highs in phrases of negativity, in case you want to place it out that manner. Let's simply pass on the XRPs. You already know charts to let me display you guys what I, without a doubt, imply allows supply at a refreshed stay. It is stuck for us, XRP. Here's what I want to reveal you guys for a second, what a variety of humans do not take note of. So ultimate cycle around this time, the lawsuit became nonetheless happening. And in phrases of regulatory clarity in terms of crypto, moving toward mass adoption, it was nowhere near in comparison to where we are at now. And yet you still saw the price of XRP touching $2.08 in step with coin at you recognize your all-time highs for the wider marketplace. But you realize XRP reacted in a high quality manner, as nicely making its way as much as that greenback 90 region. So this brings a question. glide in over again, human beings starting to see the bigger image, human beings start to see what Ripple truly is doing and how it can revolutionize cross-border bills. And an increasing number of human beings are beginning to understand that now more than ever. And I think even though we did see that initial dip because of the attraction announcement, I do accept as true with a capacity retest as much as this 58 cents shocker, either due to the fact, again, if you want to position this into attitude, it really is best to pass about 8%. And as Bitcoin is beginning to bounce back a bit, you had been sitting at Bitcoin at $62, 300 as Bitcoin is drawing close, that very important confirmation degree that I even have at 64K. This could simply cause the charge of XRP to head up with it. And from what I actually have seen in the markets lately, and again in this channel we preserve it 100% impartial. You recognize humans were sincerely excited the reality that XRP went all of the manner from 67 cents nearly right down to 50 cents due to the fact you recognize that gave them to dollar fee average and at a less expensive price, but absolutely everyone seems at it from a distinctive point of view. Every person has their personal approach, and that needs to be reputable, but you realize I might now not be amazed if you do see XRP reclaiming lower back above this key resistance. You recognize if Bitcoin is capable of get better up to those precise ranges, and once more are very vital. We have the Ripple Swell event, BRICS Summit, quite a few thrilling instances coming beforehand of us regardless of this enchantment, but allows take it one step at a time. But I would love to recognize out of your guys' opinion, what are your non-public mind regarding XRP, and wherein do you notice the rate of XRP going within the following couple of months? So wherein might you see the fee of XRP buying and selling at the cease of this 12 months? That's what I want to know from you men inside the comments. But allow me recognize what you presently suppose it has to mention about those delisting of those non-compliant stablecoins with high market valuations. Tether is the biggest stablecoin within the crypto area, ranked at the 0.33 spot within the cryptocurrency marketplace ranks. And that is a large, big move, to be sincere with you. And how could this advantage RLUSD, for your opinion? Let me realize in the remarks. Love you all. See you the next day from Coing Rough Market, and peace out.